Hey everyone, it's me, Danielle, back with another video. This time we're talking about how to slay your edges because I don't know about y'all, but when I do not have a fresh retwist, my hair is all crazy. It's a lot and it stresses me out. So this is a video of like how you can slay your edges and get your hair all the way back into a nice, sleek lock ponytail so you can look very, very nice and put together. So let's get into that video. I'm very excited, as you can see. But yeah. Okay, so the first thing you are going to need is your spray bottle. As you guys know, this is my spray bottle with aloe vera juice and some tea tree and peppermint oil. That's just what I had lying around at the moment, so that's what I use. But you can use water, you can use your favorite moisturizer. I'm gonna use some other things, but I just use this to hydrate my hair and just get it really wet, because the more wet my hair is, the easier it is to work with. And I think my hair was like a little bit dry, so I just wanted to like put that moisture back in my hair. Then I'm going to follow back up with my leave-in conditioner. Of course, you know this is my all-time fave, the Alley Naturals Lemongrass Leave-In Conditioner. So what I'm doing right now is I'm putting moisture and hydration into my edges and my overall hair, but more specifically my edges, because I'm going to be using gel to slick down my hair. And I know gel can be sometimes harsh, so I want to make sure that I'm protecting and moisturizing my hair before I put the gel on. So that's just the process I'm going through right here. And I'm being really generous with the leave-in conditioner here because I never put it in when I first washed my hair. So I figured, why not just saturate my hair with it as much as possible. Now I'm going in with a new product. This is the aloe vera gel inner fillet. This is the Lily of the Desert brand, and I use this for my face as well as my hair because aloe vera is healing. It's one of the best products ever. And again, I'm using this on my edges because we want to protect it. It's this nice jelly type substance, but it's also very liquidy, so I'm still trying to figure out the texture of it. I think it's like pretty much the inner, what's inside the plant itself. And I keep mine in the fridge because this specific brand, it does recommend that once you open it, that you put it in the fridge. And I love it because it gives this nice refreshed, cooling feeling, especially when you put it on your face. And as you know, like, to help shrink your pores, like, you want to use like cold products. So I find this works amazing for my face and for my hair as well. We love a multi-purpose product. Speaking of which, now let's get into this melanin hair care multi-use oil blend. So this was recommended by one of you guys, my subscribers, who suggested this to help, combat the dryness in my hair. Now this is a line by Natural 85 here on YouTube, and this oil is amazing. I really like it. It is what it says it is. It is multi-purpose. I use it on my hair. I use it on my body. I use it on my dad's hair. Like, I use it a lot and I really like it. I will be making a separate video on my review of this product, but I do think it was totally worth the product. Worth the purchase. Especially since it really came really fast. Like, I ordered it like say Monday and I got it in my house on Wednesday. So shout outs to their fast shipping. So here my hair is feeling good. My edges are moisturized. So now it's time to put our hair in the ponytail. But because I have saturated my hair with all these products and it's moisturized, it's easy. There's no snagging, there's no tangling, there's no dryness. I just gotta try to pull this bad boy back into a scrunchie. And now my hair has gotten to the point where it's pretty hard to fit all my hair into this one scrunchie. So you can see I'm struggling with that here right now. And I tried to double tie it and that just wasn't happening. So I do like having one little lock coming down. I don't know, it's like one thing I just recently started. So here's my ponytail. It's all the way back there. And now we are going to gel down these edges. Like, we can't even call them baby hair because it's not baby hair. These are my edges, girl. And this is pretty much just the hair in my locks that haven't gone in there because of my new growth. These aren't, like, I'm not pulling the hair out of my locks, so that's not a concern here. And as you saw, I am using a nail brush. There is no particular reason that I'm using a nail brush aside from the fact that that's just what I had lying around. I know you can alternatively use a edge brush or a toothbrush, but I just use a nail brush. So I'm going to put a ridiculous amount of gel all over my edges. I'm just laying it down on there, not doing anything but plopping the gel on those edges of my hair. And then whatever residue I have from the gel on my edges, I just brush that into my hair ponytail itself, as you can see I'm doing here. And now I'm taking the nail brush and I'm brushing all that hair forward. And again, I said this isn't my baby hair, but this isn't the hair that is in my locks. So I'm not pulling the hair from my locks themselves. This is just the hair from my new growth that has not formed a lock yet. So we are not tearing anything. We are not ripping anything. This is just that loose hair that we are trying to slick back. So I brush it forward before I slick it back, and you can see I'm doing that now. So what I do is I brush it forward and then I place my finger down where I'm going to swoop it, and I swoop. I don't know where I picked this up from, but I know a lot of people do it this way, and that's how I find you get the best swoop, by placing your finger down and then swooping right under it. So as you can see, I am doing my best to get it, and I promise you, you're going to have to do these swoops multiple times. I never get it right on the first time. I just keep going until I find a shape that I like. So like here, I was trying to do a little zigzag, didn't work out, so I just ended up swooping that right back into my hair. Yeah, I do not know why I even tried to do that. But again, like, you really just have to play around with it. If you feel like the gel is getting hard for some reason, or you need more to work with, I wouldn't put more gel, but I would add more. I would spritz more water on it, because it's just the head wrap that's gonna really do the job of securing your edges down. So just play around with whatever design, whatever way, pattern, whatever that you want to stick your edges. Recently I have been a fan of Rico Nasty's edges. Like, personally, I don't think I could do that, but I just love how they look on her. So there are like so many different styles you can do with how you play with your edges. So as you can see, I really liked how that one side came out, so I was like, I need to redo this other side. So again, you just have to keep going back and working through it. Like, don't be afraid to rework your hair. Like, as long as you have the time to do it, go for it. Okay, so now I have gotten my hair to the place that I like. You know, the swooshes are swooshing, the edges are slayed and laid down. So of course they're still very wet from the gel and all the other product I put on my edges. So we need to make sure we secure it with a bandana or a headscarf. Of course, you want to make sure that whatever you use to tie down your edges, it's something that is silk or satin, has a very smooth finish. Please do not use cotton, because that will dry out your edges and redo, or at least rework, or what is that word? It would cancel out all the work you did trying to put that moisture back into your edges. So here I am, I'm my makeup girl, and I am going to do the reveal. And as you can see, look at that, look how slayed it is. You know, the ponytail itself is wavy and the edges are slayed down. Look, I'm done. Look, and my edges are like lele. Like, Reese was the win. Don't need that, girl.
So forever you could just slick your edges with gel or something?
Yeah.
Why don't you do that?
Okay, so that is the end of this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do want to say that if you want to keep this up, all I do is spritz my hair with a little bit of water, tie it back down with a bandana. So I wish you the best of luck, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on social media, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.